Today, I'll show you how to set up SSO for Jira using Atlassian Access, now also known as Atlassian Guard. SSO, or Single Sign-On, lets users log in to Jira with your company identity provider, such as Okta, Microsoft Entra ID, Google Workspace, or another SAML provider. Atlassian's documentation says SAML SSO allows users to authenticate through your company identity provider when logging in to Atlassian Cloud apps. First, make sure you are an organization admin in Atlassian. You also need an Atlassian Guard standard subscription because SSO is managed at the Atlassian organization security level. Now go to admin.atlassian.com. Select your organization. From the left menu, open Security. Then go to User Security and select Identity Providers. Choose your identity provider directory or add a new identity provider if needed. Now select Setup SAML Single Sign-On. Atlassian will show you service provider details, such as the service provider entity, URL, and the assertion consumer service, URL. Copy these values and paste them into your identity provider's SAML app settings. Atlassian's setup guide says these URLs must be copied from your Atlassian organization into your identity provider. Next, go back to your identity provider and copy its SAML details. You will usually need the identity provider entity ID, single sign-on, URL, and public certificate. Paste those details into the Atlassian SAML configuration page. Save the SAML configuration. Now go to Authentication Policies. Edit the policy for the users who should use SSO. Enable Enforce Single Sign-On for that policy. Atlassian notes that after configuring SAML, you still need to enforce SSO through an authentication policy. Test the login with a small group before applying it to everyone. And that's it. You've successfully set up SSO for Jira using Atlassian Access or Atlassian Guard. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.